Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin 2x, we change for 2 sin x cosine x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine s squared. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have negative 2 sin s cosine s dx. Because we do first the derivative of cosine s, we have negative 2 sin s, but this is about power 2, so that means we have another cosine s in here. Because we have the negative sign in here, but this one we don't have the negative sign, so we put the negative go to the left. This one we change for u. 2 sin s cosine s ds we change for negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of u plus c. About u, that's about cosine s squared. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.